last day. Sad day. It's always a sad day to be leaving, but that means it's a busy day because that means we have to pack up everything that we've brought and put out and put it back into the trailer so it's safe for travel. So far, since we've left our home, we've traveled 8,242.4 miles. This means our tires are in dire need of rotation. Have to break down our paddle boards. I may not have used this as much as I wanted to, but I'm still glad I brought it because I did have the option of it. That's kind of one of the balances we have to deal with doing RVing is what is worthwhile bringing and what is useless to bring. What is a hassle, but you're glad you hassled with it, or what is absolutely not worth any hassle. And this one is kind of like teetering in between still. The worst part about this is you have to unpack everything to repack everything. And when you get to your destination, you have to unpack everything to repack everything. You have to pack it so it's user-friendly for what you're doing. And that's the hard part. What you need accessible on the road versus what you need accessible at your destination are completely opposite. So you just have to swap everything's position for road travel. I'm at a big time crossroads. We're ready to start packing stuff in here, but I'm not really sure the order of everything necessarily. And I know that means packing some stuff in the bed of the truck as well, but I don't want to stuff anything in the truck until I put the hitch in. And the hitch, it's a pain a little bit. It's really heavy. So I think we're just gonna have to tough it and get the hitch out. One thing that has to ride in the bed of the truck is the seashells. For two reasons. I want them to ride the smoothest in here, and second, they reek, so I don't want them stuffed in anywhere in the trailer where it stinks. They've been outside kind of wafting off their scent, and we're just gonna leave them back there.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. Everything is just cut out everywhere. It's a mess.
I've definitely learned the hard way that you have to keep your tools accessible, so they stay in the bed of my truck. boots in the truck as well. Swim bags. We want to keep the seashell bags handy. We're going to need those.
With the sweaty back.
Now it's time for the worst part of the whole thing, is taking the bikes apart. But if we don't, they don't make it home. We've tried the bike rack business where you like hang them on the front tire and those destroy your bikes.
And ours fell off last time.
Yeah, and they skate off and it's terrible. So we just take it apart and shove it in the mid-bunk section of the RV.
Not in the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way she loves me. Just look at me, I'm like a monkey in a coconut tree. You know I'm overjoyed, 'cause boy, oh boy, she's my gal. She asks me when I say let's go out dancing. Your place or mine, don't waste my time with phone romancing. She's wild, she's funny, doesn't care about clothes or money. She just cares for me, she's all I need, she's my gal.
Joel, good job on getting everything outside done. Did you just go? Oh!
Olivia was my sidekick today.
I feel like we both.
Okay. Well, here we go. We're going to go down memory lane on the crafts that the kids did. That one is so cute, that shell. I'm not sure. I think someone found this. I think Boston found that with his magnet. I love this. What is this called?
Sand art.
I love the sand art. I love my children's art. I thought these buoys were the cutest thing ever. I don't know if I want to not keep these.
I like those. I want to keep those.
Yeah, I think those are
I think
just
those would be cute by the
outside somewhere.
or even by our
Yeah.
boat room.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Hang them off a
It's
cleat.
got to be classy, Joel.
Yeah, well.
Tiles the kids did, the bird's nest, more art. I just think that this is so fun, and I love that we display them while we're here. So fun. Last but certainly not least, we're packing the one wheels. Everything's in. We spent the whole morning at the pool and it was glorious.
Show them how tan we got. Okay, Lincoln, grab Lady. Let's do a picture real quick.
Hey, let's do a picture.
That's good. Take one step back, Joel.
Wait, can I hold Lady like the last picture? Yeah, last time Olivia held her. Yeah, last time I want to hold her in this. Wait, where was Dad?
Lincoln, go by Cody.
Let's show them how tan we got. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers. 1, 2, 3, strike a pose.
Well, it's official. Goodbye, Florida, and thank you for getting us through another winter.